Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB update for 16th July. Alright, so SHIB still on a sideways movement, okay? So some of the coins I'm looking at, they're breaking to the downside and they're actually losing their level of support, like Glamour as well, and the market is still hinting to drop down really badly, okay? So it's not the end of it. So the market is pretty much going to be, I mean, there are signs for Bitcoin to go down near the $8,000 level as well, okay? There are signs. It's just a matter of time or a matter of invalidating those patterns to go to the downside. I'm not even joking when I say that. Just look at this one, okay? The reason why I say this is because left shoulder, the head here, and you have the right shoulder, that was the neckline broken, you came down here, and so far you're pretty much looking to come down to that target, okay? So if I told you up here in 38,000 that Bitcoin is going to go to $8,000 because of the head and shoulder, it would be, you would be laughing that, oh no, but now it's already at $20,000, and now you're looking for this one to still come down, and it's really near, it's a thin air now to nearly come down to that $20,000. And if you look at it this way, you probably could be putting a side bearish continuation pattern and then break it out and then absolutely just come down here in the next week or in the next coming few days as well. So be careful on this trade, and there's a good chance that now, anyway, we're going to talk about SHIB in its own state. So the nature of it is that, it's looking to come down, lose this level, back test, and then boom, your next technical target is to 844. It's pretty much the same as the previous updates that I've been giving you, that you just want to see this coming up here and break this level and then move higher, okay? So it's all about breaking the resistance of support. Otherwise, it's pretty much a sideways consolidation right now. So until we don't find a clear pattern, it's going to be remaining like this. And that's it for this quick update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.